I'm amazed at how really nice this turned out. I mean, the plastic is clear. There's no or minimal signs of the oxidation left. This is really a nice final result, especially for the cost of $16.88 from Amazon delivered to your door. Hey everybody, it's Doc, and welcome to the channel. So around here, summertime, it's time for projects. And one of my projects today is to clean up these headlights on my daughter's 2008 Cadillac DTS. As you can see, they've pretty much fogged over pretty badly. So we're gonna see if we can take care of that today with the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. That's a mouthful. And I just wanna say, I am not sponsored by Cerakote, and this is something that I actually bought with the intent of doing my Solstice headlights, but I've sold that car, and this car has the same problem, so we're gonna give that a shot today. It says I can do this in 30 minutes. I don't know if that's the case. If it was a Solstice, I would be taking the headlights completely out and doing it. But with this car, Cadillac, they've made it really difficult. You have to take the entire car front end apart even to change the headlight bulbs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to very carefully tape around this. We're going to give this a try and we'll see what happens. So stick with me and I'll show you the results. So essentially these are the steps of the process. So step one is essentially their special oxidation remover, which I don't know exactly what that is, but we'll explore that while we're doing it. And then step two will be some sanding and probably finer sanding. And then the third step, which is probably the most important, is the ceramic clear coat, because if you didn't clear coat over the areas that you sanded and deoxidized, it would probably be back to oxidizing within a very short period of time. Okay, so essentially the first step of the process is to use these oxidation remover wipes. You're going to wipe in a circular pattern until the wipe turns yellow. The headlight's supposed to be clean, and I'm supposed to wear gloves for this. I've decided to use my gloves because they're much better quality than the ones they supply. Theirs are these little plastic ones like you see the dude at Subway making your sandwich with. I think these will be much better. So we're still in step one. Now we're encouraged to clean off the headlight with some water. I'm going to use some Windex. So if you just looked at this headlight right now, you'd think, wow, there's some radical improvement comparative to how hazy the other side is. But they said it's supposed to be hazy, and actually you can see there's a little bit of haze forming, which they say is normal. So now we'll start the sanding process, I believe. Step two is basically wet sanding. So we're going to start with the 2000 grit, and then we'll move to the 3000 grit. The wet sanding with the 3000 grit is done. You can see it looks kind of hazy. The next step will be to let it dry, and then we can apply the final ceramic coat. This is prior to step three, and as you can see, the headlight is a little bit on the hazy side, and the instructions say that's exactly the way it's supposed to be. They tell you if it's too hazy or too clear, you should repeat step two over again. But I think we've got it pretty good, so we're going to proceed. We're going to pull the Cadillac back in and proceed to step three. For step three, we're going to apply the ceramic clear coating. And you want to do this in a well-ventilated room because this is, let's say, very aromatic. And the instructions basically state that you're going to do a horizontal line from top to bottom, not going over the same, well, actually you're going to go over the line 50%. but only one coat is what it's suggesting. You can see a huge difference. And then after we coat this, we are going to let it dry for a minimum of 1 hour. And the instructions also say that if you get this on your vehicle, on the paint, it's not a big deal, just let it dry, and then you can wipe it off. See you back in an hour. It'll be a flash for you. So the hour is up for allowing the Cerakote to dry, and looking at the final result, I'm amazed at how really nice this turned out. I mean, the plastic is clear, there's no or minimal signs of the oxidation left. This is really a nice final result, especially for the cost of $16.88 from Amazon delivered to your door. You know, I was wondering whether this would last, so I Googled it, and actually Cerakote has a guarantee that this product will last as long as you own your car, and if the problem comes back, they will send you a new product for free. I'm not sure if there's any fine print to that, but that's a pretty good guarantee. So amazing result. I highly recommend this. And you know, again, I am not being compensated by Cerakote in any way for this. I'm just really impressed with this product that I happened to buy for another car, but decided to apply it to my daughter's Cadillac. So go out and buy some if you have the need. I'd be curious to hear what your results are. Certainly throw those down in the comments, or if you had other results, let me know. You guys have a great day. We'll see you out there.